Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am your host here, Gigi Faison. Guys, in today's video, I am going to share with you how I'm going to transition my Valentine's Day tablescape into something that's spring ready. Just by changing out a few items that I had already here. Now, I started out with these gold and white candles. I am actually going to change them out with all of these sage green candles. Everything else in the center is exactly as I had it for Valentine's Day. I have my baby's breast that I added in, and it's still holding up and looking really, really good. And as I explained to you guys when I placed this out, normally if I was doing the baby's breast for an event or something, I would have the foam that was for real flowers. But as you can see, the baby's breast is still holding up. There is no water, there is no sponges or anything here. I just laid them within the centerpiece and they are still holding up and looking well for the centerpiece. I changed out my stemware for these sage green wine glasses. Kept the champagne flutes here, the crystal, because we are still going for that elegant look. My place settings, I changed out my charger plates for these sage green charger plates. Decided to keep my original dinner plate and salad plate. Now, as I explained before, this only comes in a 4-piece setting. So because it only comes in a 4-piece setting, I added these dinner plates that I had for several years, and I decided to pull these out. Use these beautiful salad plates for the ends, and these are both the same. Changed out my napkin for these napkins here. These are absolutely beautiful, and these are some that I've purchased from Amazon a few years ago. I've just folded it as its envelope style, placed it here in the center of the plate. So I'm going to go ahead and finish. Just going to show you how I created the napkin. And hopefully I can get it to do just right. And then usually I have to pull it all apart, but I think I'm working well with it today. So we're going to take our ends and fold, and then we're going to take the other end and fold. So we're just folding the ends as such. Then we are going to take and fold over the size of half, and here. Then we are going to fold over this one. Okay guys, we are starting here in the center where you see I have made a few changes from my Valentine's setup. I have the baby's breath and it's looking really, really nice still. I have placed and changed out the candles. Went for more of the sage green. Kept the candle holders. added these lovely napkins here and folded them as if they are an envelope purse. Just the flap over, kept my flatware, changed out my stemware, changed out my charger plate, kept my dinner plate and my salad plate here. Now the dinner plate and the salad plates on the ends, as well as the napkins, are different. The napkins only came 4 in a pack. These are the salad plates I decided to go in with, as you know, the set only comes 4 of the set, so I had to make a difference on the end. This is the dinner plate here. My charger plate, and I kept the existing placemat that was here already. So guys, let me know what you think of my setup here. Leave me a comment in the comment section. And of course, my little gem bunny here, absolutely beautiful. I thought it would be a perfect little hop in the spring kind of thing. Just add it in there as we're getting ready to deliver to you guys, hopefully, more content for the spring. I hope you have enjoyed me putting together my very first spring tablescape for 2024. We are transitioning from winter over into spring, and so just let the fun begin. Check your home first before you go out and buy anything. Look around, jot down things that you want to use, inventory your homes. Check for those things you may have already. That way you don't have to go out and buy anything or buy things that you already have. Get a visual inside your mind as to how you want your table to look. And that way, once you go searching your home, you kind of have an idea of the things that you're looking for. Find those things, and then if you need to go make a purchase, do so. You can always check for discount stores like the Dollar Tree, the Dollar General, the Super Dollar or Super 10 or whatever it's called. Check for those places. They do have beautiful florals sometimes. And then also check the sales at Michael's and Joann and Hobby Lobby. They do have lots of sales, so catch those things when they're sales, catch them when they're at clearance, when they are end of season. That is when you buy the things that, even if at the time that you see something that you really, really like and you're not sure how you're going to use it, if that price is a great price like none you've seen before, go ahead and purchase that item. Even if you get it home and a few days you don't like it, take it back. Now you can't wait for months before you take it back, but a few days, go ahead and take it back. Those are just a few tips of how you can make a purchases, not spend a lot of money, and still create and come up with something that's absolutely amazing. So guys, I'm going to move out of your way and let you see what I have created. I hope you have enjoyed it. Again, if you're new to this channel, I welcome you and I thank you so much for stopping by. If this is your very first time, just make sure you hit that subscribe button and tap the notification bell twice so that you are always notified of any and all up and coming videos that are created on this channel. I love sharing with you elegance, luxe, style, and creativity that comes from this channel. All right, guys, be blessed and take care. Until the next video. Goodbye.